So for me, it's a new space, but I think it helps because now I come with a different lens from a management role. I think the media sector, we are quite aware, has gone through a lot and has to remodel itself. And I think as we're having conversations even here, Nairobi and everywhere, there's real evidence that the legacy businesses cannot go on as it is. We've now got to go into the new world and the real world, which is now digital, isn't it? So we have to start accepting reality has checked in, and we have to change our mindsets that digital is the way to go, and we have to be digital first. So performance is going to be central for my as I drive this business. I want a team that appreciates on delivering success, at the same time delivering results, managing costs, and appreciated through a very good rewarding structure. So we have to really try and change that approach. I know you are a performance-driven organization, but it's just going to be a bit more pressure, and I hope you appreciate good pressure.
I think we need to do the necessary investment in Spark TV so that it can be what it needs to be. If we have made the necessary investments to be able to be the best that we can in this particular market, then I think we'll be justified in actually demanding the results that are commensurate with the investments that we are going to make.
For the content, yeah, I think they're all downstairs. Okay.